Anyway, guys, today I'm gonna bring my GoPro down to the beach. I'm gonna make a waves jumping video, I should say. So the next clip after this one will most likely be with my GoPro, probably entering the ocean. Yo. Wait, can it see you? Yeah. I'll race you. 3. Wait. True. It's not bad. Feels good. What was that?
I said, don't say anything.
They already noticed us. I got the GoPro. I am filming.
Are you gonna go under?
Heck yeah. Did something touch you? Uh-oh. Actually, I went over that. I went over. Yeah, I did. Here comes Pops. I just stepped on a cluster of shells. That's funny. Do it. Oh shoot. Did you go under that? Heck yeah. I'm recording. I don't care. Uh-oh. Was that Josh? Uh-huh. What did you do? That's hilarious. Oh, this one outwins. Do it again. Imagine taking this GoPro to a water park, like going down like a water slide. What?
I just, those boogie boarders over there are so far out.
Oh yeah. Peace.
Farthest one?
What? Let's do a 24-hour challenge in the ocean. Would you be down? Did you just say bet on that?
Yeah.
Alright. Yo, 1 million likes for a 24-hour challenge in the ocean and we'll do it. What would we sleep on for a 24-hour challenge? A boat?
Like this.
Fair enough. Uh-oh. Never mind. Nice. What?
Your shoulders are high.
Yours are a little bit.
Wait, hold on.
Hold on. Wait, going to now. It definitely saw that. Uh-oh.
We should just let ourselves float. Let ourselves float down and get pulled into the impact. You down?
I mean, I'm down.
Just like play.
Swimming against the tide. I'm not really in a good floating spot right now. There's a fish down there. I'm not sure if you guys saw it. Riding the current. This is always fun. Nice. It is like a lazy river. Now you can tell how how fast it's moving. A little bit. Like that. There's a big osprey up there. Look, I'm literally standing. This is kind of deep right here, almost up to my shoulders. Let's find the deepest point. Oh crap. It's getting deeper. Wait, this is weird. My face might be about to be under.
You are short.
What?
You are short.
Are you standing?
Yeah.
Barely. Proof that's getting deeper.
How far? Wait, stay exactly where you are, okay? I'm gonna see how far I can go underwater.
Are you gonna pop back up?
Somewhere.
Are you gonna go that way?
Yeah.
What if it's like really deep? I'm just gonna go over that way somewhere. That's impressive. Holy crap, you made it far.
I get farther.
Are you standing?
Yeah. Are you treading water?
Watch this. Look, this is if I stand. I'm on my tippy toes right now.
You probably can't stand here.
Is it deep there? Are you treading water?
No,
This is crazy.